Okay, so number one for you point to improve. So instead of starting this way, you want to start with the feet 45 degree always open. And then body picked up and legs are towards each other. That's number one, so instead of this way. Number two, to start any choreography, if you start with the walk back, you're gonna do high hip, low hip, and now this hip gonna guide this foot almost forward, and you're gonna send your leg back. That was number one. So let's try that. So how we start routine. So from here, yeah, so the foot position and the preparation before we go. Yes, very good. So that's already will be a better beginning. Cheeky, cheeky, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so the next one, it was the hip twist itself. Maybe I'll show you this, I didn't explain it, but let me explain you how to do this one. So you go collect. Now, how to do back basic. You send your leg back, big step. Now, ball, heel, land on the heel. And now from here, you're doing just a rocking action. You rocking action. And make sure the shoulder blade connect with your hip. So the walk. Now from here, this will give you great 4-1. Now from here, instead of going just here, we want to go, turn our shoulders hip. We want to create this 90 degree with the angle, like this. So it looks a little bit more pretty. Yeah. With a little curve. Let's try again from the beginning. Yeah, and here go 2, 30, and 2, 30, and 4, 1. Beautiful. Okay, so the next point, it was a connection to stay always connected towards me. Yeah, so your elbow down, and the bones are straight. You press towards right. Present your part, arm here. Now, so the next thing, you were a little bit chopping these steps. You were doing step, step, and you were too late there. So you want to create one momentum for the steps. Like treat those 3 steps as a one. Quick and slow. So you want to get here as soon as you can. Okay, so that was next point. And 2, and 30, and 4, 1. 4, 1. Okay, so the fourth point was a fan position. So before you used to do like this open leg, so now you know it's your bum actually turning this way. You want to present your leg 4, 1. So that was another point to get this way. 4, 1. Also stay connected to your partner. Next one, and 2, yes. So here is a little bit different. So the way how to close your legs in fan. So first you're gonna use that hip, gonna do a little circle as we did before a little bit to collect. Now here gonna use high hip and brush. High hip, but it happens fast. Don't stay there for too long. So something like this. You hear, whoa, it's just there. High hip with a fast brush. And whoosh. And now from here, put your arm here. Here connection will change to a little hook for a second. So now you're gonna hook to a hook. Yeah, to a little hook. Like do me one finger hook. Yeah. Middle to middle finger hook, so it's not too strong. Yeah, got it? So it will change a little bit here. Keep this knee straight. And this knee, this way, yeah. Here, and then from here, I invite you walk. And then we again connect towards each other. So in a way, for the fan position, it's gonna feel like this. You see I'm towards you, then I'm closing, there will be a little hook, ta. So that's, I didn't explain it. That's what you. Yeah. Here, and change, going to hook, walk. Yeah, but slide, hook, slide. It should not be visual in your upper body. It should not be like this, watch. It should not be like this. So it's almost like that hook because your bum is going back, not your head. You see my upper body stays the same. Go, so my bum back, like somebody pulling this bum, you see? Not your head, bum, and then you get walk. Okay, acceleration. Yeah, whoop, and whoop. Yeah, and on boom already changed. Yeah, and change, walk. Excellent. Yeah. Okay, let's do, that's enough points, and maybe for the arm points. Let's do another video.